Let's be honest, you're addicted to infinite scrolling. We all are. But have you ever wondered how easy it is to add this feature to your own React app? Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to implement infinite scrolling of any content in React. By the way, I'm running this on Astro instead of Next.js. No particular reason. Alright, first things first, install the React Infinite Scroll component package. Next, we need to create the Infinite Scroll component, which we will use to put our content. Create a component, and then we need the Generate Random Image function, which will return a random image URL. Create images state with useState, and has more state to determine if there's more content. We will use it only for demo purposes. Now, we need to create a Fetch More Data function that will add new content to our images state. Then add the use effect to launch this function at the start, and import the Infinite Scroll component from the package. In the params of this component, we pass the number of items in our array, the function for adding new content, the has more property, the loading indicator, and the end message to show if there is no content left. Next, just map through our items from the images state. Now in my case, I need to import our component with client load directive to make it work on the client side. And remember to set the random ID to the images while getting them to make sure they're random. Last thing is making sure that we simulate some sort of limit in our scrolling content to make sure it is also working. Boom, we've got infinite scrolling working for images. But hold on, what if we want more? What if we could scroll forever through random quotes, news articles, or even AI-generated jokes? Let's take it up a notch. Now we'll implement infinite scrolling for random quotes. I will replace the random image function with a function to generate quotes from Kanye's API. Change anything related to the image to the quote, and change the mapping content to show fetched quotes. And just like that, we've built infinite scrolling in our React app effortlessly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you want more dev content like this, hit subscribe. Your future self will thank you. See you in the next one.